Hey there, I'm Naushi, working as a brand promoter.
Hi, this is Sumaya Khalek Khushi from Team 5 Rare Platinum. I am the chief developer of the app EcoGreen.
Hi, I'm Khadija from Team 5 Rare Platinum. I'm the editor of our app EcoGreen.
Hi, I'm Shah Sadia from Team 5 Rare Platinum. I'm the IT creator of our team. Here we are going to present our app, which is EcoGreen. In Bangladesh, 80% people are directly employed by agriculture, and about 87% of rural households rely on agriculture for at least part of their income. But in our country, farmers didn't get their fair price. Only 1.34% of farmers got the government set price against their production, as they were the only lucky ones who could sell paddy to the government's food department. Like Bangladesh, there are many countries where farmers didn't get their fair payment.
In 2019, farmers of Bangladesh destroyed their crops because of lower price. Farmers blocked Rangpur highway and dumped paddy grains on the road during a demonstration in Rangpur. Farmers protested in Bangladesh for fair price. The prices farmers have received for most commodity crops and livestock have been below the cost of production almost every year since 1981. Since 2008, the average prices farmers received for commodities on the open market have hovered around 37% of their cost of production.
Deforestation and the low amount of trees are causing global warming, which eventually causing the increase of carbon dioxide and decrease of oxygen in the air. As we know that Amazon rainforest is the lung of the world, which alone supplies 20% of the world's oxygen. Unfortunately, in 2020, the Amazon rainforest caught fire and 13,000 square feet of the forest burned to dust, and the world faced a great loss.
For solving these problems, we create our app EcoGreen. Through our app, we're trying to change the situation of farmers in Bangladesh, and we're also trying to help to maintain our ecological balance and take steps against global warming and climate change. We will buy products directly from farmers so that they can get their fair prices, and the customers can also get their products in a reasonable price. Our app will help farmers to get their desired value.
To increase the amount of oxygen in the air, we provide trees through our app. Our app has 3 sections of subscription: Silver, Gold and Platinum. Through the app EcoGreen, we will give the service of planting trees, herbs, varieties of produce directly from farmers that are free from toxicity for those who want to take a step in making a change. It will help to bring favorable outcomes to the climate of Bangladesh.
We also have AI features in our app EcoGreen. One can ask anything about farming and tree plantation. Our app will work for low poverty and climate change.